We're having crab legs for dinner, so I'm gonna make a Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuits. This was listed on the food.com website. Never made these before, so it's gonna be 2 cups of a Bisquick, 4 tablespoons of butter cut in. I did shred it, or I should say my husband shredded it to make it easier to mix it with the Bisquick. And then a 1/2 cup of shredded cheese and 2/3 cup of milk. So I'm gonna get everything mixed together first. Here is the dough mixed together. It says just to spoon it onto an ungreased cookie sheet. And it says it serves 12. I don't see that. I don't see that at all.
I'm trying.
He's trying to make it serve 12, but there's only 2 of us, so if you want to do 6 bigger biscuits, you can, honey. Whatever you want to do. And then we're gonna bake them for 8 to 10 minutes at 450. Robert did get 12 out of them, and Herman is being extra annoying as usual. Such a needy kitty. So after the biscuits are done, you melt 2 tablespoons butter, mix in the garlic powder and the Old Bay seasoning, and then spoon that over the top of the biscuits. And it's 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon Old Bay seasoning, which we had all that stuff on hand, which makes the recipe very easy. They look pretty darn good. The recipe said 8 to 10 minutes. It took 10 minutes for them to look this good. Oh, we're gonna need it. They stuck a little. We're gonna need a spatula.
Yeah,
I almost forgot the most important part. Robert's gonna butter the bread.
hey, quit fighting.
Come on, you guys. They can smell the crab legs. It's driving them crazy. And Nutmeg, you don't get that seat. Sorry. All right, it's New Year's Eve, so I'm gonna try the scalloped potatoes first, and these are the cheddar biscuits, and we have crab legs. Oh, and Robert's grabbing the butter for us. If you hear the TV in the background, it is the winter classic. It is New Year's Eve. I think I'm gonna try the cheddar biscuits first. Did you try them yet?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. That's really, really good. First period done. I would definitely do these again. Do I feel like they taste like Red Lobster biscuits? It's been so long since I've ate at Red Lobster. I think they're absolutely delicious. I know they have like a store-bought mix that my sister always gets, and I think we tried it once and we didn't like it. Mm-hmm. This is the way to go. And it was pretty simple. What do you think?
They're good.
They're very, very good.
I can't compare them.
Yeah. We don't go to Red
It's
Lobster.
hard, you don't know.
I mean, we have been to Red Lobster, but it's been years. Delicious. And the Bisquick box was like $3-4. And you only use 2 cups, and it's still like a huge box left. So you could get like tons of servings out of these. Cats everywhere. Here's a piece of crab in case you're curious. This is Deerberg's crab. Deerberg's is the local St. Louis chain. We also get our crab legs at Sam's Club a lot.
I think we paid $9.99 a pound. What we paid.
There's Deerberg.
Yeah.
So I realize they probably all buy them from the same fish market. But we have had bad crab before. Never at Deerberg's. So delicious.
Shit.
Where was that bad crab we got it? Was it Costco?
Sam's.
Oh, it was Sam's.
Maybe because it's set out. I feel like it just hits.
I feel like sometimes, you know, when stuff is delivered, it unthaws and then they freeze it back.
Yep.
And not a good thing.